raised them a lot of money to take care of abused animals in this world. First and foremost, I need to thank a couple of people. All of my volunteers, each and every one of you. Thank you very much. You know how it goes. It's not all about me. It's all about you guys. It all comes together because you guys come together and come out for me. Thanks again. My family, each and every one of my granddaughters and children here today selling water. Thanks for getting up early, kids. Law enforcement, Rhode Island State Police, coming out today to take you on a safe ride. Bristol Police, my good friend, comes with me on every motorcycle event that I do. Bristol Police Sergeant Jimmy Anus. Thank you. East Providence Police Department, Traffic Officer Brian Lundstrom.